Mm-hmm. Be nice to his feet. You guys gonna talk to each other? Mm-hmm. Yes, don't grab too hard. Are those Owen's feet, Ella? Those Owen's feet? They have socks on them. Mm-hmm. You want to say hi? Say hi to your sister. Say hi to your sister. Oh, yeah, you're so cute. You're so cute. Aren't you? You're so cute. Yeah. Hey, you try to get your feet too, don't you? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's his leg. That's his leg.